there, welcome to Kapow Wow Learning. And today we're looking at the grid method, which is a 3-digit multiplied by a 1-digit, e.g., for example, 123 multiplied by 4. So let's do this. So you can watch me do it and then pause throughout and see if you can answer it correctly. So 134 multiplied by 5, we need to partition the 3-digit number. So 134 partitioned, we need to split it up into units, tens and hundreds. So the units is 4, the tens is 30, and the hundreds is 100. Don't forget the 5 because we're multiplying 134 by 5. Okay, now we do 100 multiplied by 5, which is 500. Next, we're going to do 30 multiplied by 5, which is 150. And next, we do 4 multiplied by 5, which equals 20. Now, what we do next is we then add them. So we're going to add them now. And remember, we always add, or when we do the grid method, we always do, when we do the addition of the column method, we always start from the units. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we look at the tens. 0 plus 5 plus 2 is 0 plus 5 plus 2 is 7. And now we're going to look at the hundreds. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, so 134 multiplied by 5 equals 670. Excellent. Let's do the next one. Now you can pause this at any point and then try to answer. 142 multiplied by 6. What is that? Do you remember the steps? Right, let's do it. So let's partition the 3-digit number. 142 partition. We need to split it up into units, tens, and hundreds. So the units is 2, the tens is 40, and the hundreds is 100. But don't forget the 6 because we're multiplying 142 by 6. Next, we do 100 multiplied by 6, which is 600. We're next going to do 40 multiplied by 6 is... It is 240. And the next one, 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. Can you remember what we do? Yes, we then add them. So let's add them. Now, when we're doing column addition, you need to start from the units. 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. We're now going to look at the tens. So 0 plus 4 plus 1 equals 5. And now we're going to look at the hundreds column. So there we have it. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So that is the answer. 142 multiplied by 6 equals 852. Kapow wow. And the final one, try to pause this at any point that you can and see if you can do this correctly. 123 multiplied by 8. Okay, so remember to partition the 3-digit number. So 123 partitioned is, we need to split it up into units, tens, and hundreds. So the units is 3, the tens is 20, and the hundreds is 100. But don't forget the 8. So we put the 8 there because it's 123 multiplied by 8. Next, 100 multiplied by 8, which equals 800. 20 multiplied by the 8, which equals 160. And 3 multiplied by the 8, which equals 24. What do we do next? We're going to add them. Excellent. So let's add them. And remember, column addition or subtraction, you always start from the units. Excellent. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. Let's look at the tens. So now we've got 0 plus 6 plus 2, which equals 8. And let's look at the hundreds. We should have had 8 plus 1, which equals 9. So therefore, 123 multiplied by 8 equals 984. Now that was the grid method, 3-digit multiplied by a 1-digit. Hopefully you understand that. Pause it and play it as many times as you can and make sure you get your answers correct. Okay? Thank you for watching Kapow Wow Learning.